Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to see your FNB account number. That is accessing your FNB account number through statements, ATMs and customer support. Let's get started. Now if you want to access it through the FNB statement, you should know that your account number is always printed on your FNB bank statement. This applies to both paper statements and electronic statements accessible through online banking. The second method is FNB ATMs. In some cases, your account number might be displayed on ATM transaction receipts or when viewing account details at the ATM. Lastly, by contacting FNB's customer support. If you are unable to find your account number through the above method, you can contact FNB customer support. They will verify your identity and provide you with your account number. It's very important to make sure that when contacting FNB that you are using official FNB contact information. Thank you.